Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. In today's video, we're going to draw Iron Man. So, let's jump right in. Get out your pen, paper, and there we go. Alright, let's begin with the usual that I always like to start out with, the eyes. So where these ones, we're going to just start out with a curve. Perfect. And down, over, across, and straight up. And just connect the two. And then with this line coming down, we're just going to keep coming. And then curl up. Awesome. And we're going to do the same thing for the other eye. We're going to come down, go long, angle, curve over. And there we go. There's the eyes. Easy peasy. Alright, then this part, we're going to curve up and over. Stop. Over. Stop. And then we're going to do diagonal in, curve around, diagonal up, curve around, curl all the way, back down. Awesome. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to get the rest of his head. So we're going to come down right here. Come down towards the eyes. Stop. And what we're going to do is do an angle in, straight line, angle back up, and a straight line up. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to curve around. Awesome, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to take this edge piece, connect up, come down, go in. Then we're going to come down almost like teeth. Then come across, teeth almost, across, and up. Sweet, connect up here. Looking good. I'm going to just follow this a little bit. We're going to come down just a little bit. And diagonal in. Up, over, down, up, then up. Awesome. Looking good. Then what we're going to do is we're going to follow this angle to about here, and then up. Follow this to about here, and then up. And we'll shade that in nice and dark. Awesome, looking good. And that really is his head, and we'll color it in, add a few more details. But that's really it. And we'll add a little part right here on the outside. Looks pretty good. And let's get to his body. So his body, we're just going to start with, let's get his main body. Come down with a slightly curved line, then stop. And then we're going to do like a thicker line. Come down. And this is his shoe right here. Nice and flat. Curve around. And diagonal up. This is like a cartoony version, I guess, of Iron Man. Then for his arm, we're just going to come out, over. All this part that comes out follows down, curves in. Then his hand will just finish out right there. There's his thumb. His thumb's right there, his hand's right there. This part will connect. And we'll add more details. Let's just focus on the main parts. Then let's work on his other hand, which we're gonna like pointing out like he's blasting someone. One hand or one finger, 2 fingers. And usually with cartoons, they like to do with a different number of fingers, so let's just do 4 with the thumb. And in the center, he has that blaster part. Just do a little design on the fingers. Thumb's already done. Awesome. And his body, and we'll just kind of add this detail so it's his arms connecting to that. Come down. Finish off with the good old boot. Around. Up. Connect. What we're going to do is have this come up. Up. Then what we're going to do is connect. Connect. And then add in the details for his suit. So we're going to do straight line, put angle, angle down, angle up, angle down, come in, connect, and then his chest comes down, farther sticks out a little bit, connects up. Then we have a repeat. Awesome. And we got these details where it's just like a little circle with a line. And I'm just going to add some details to his shoes. Straight line there. Straight line there. Then we're going to just add a line there. A line there. Basically just try to make him look more like Iron Man with a few more details. But really that's about it. And so what we'll end up doing is we'll end up coloring this in yellow, 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 leave that part white, white, and yellow. Bam! There we go. We got the one, the only Iron Man. I am Iron Man. If you enjoyed this video and liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great videos. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.